How to verify Phantom Wallet. So to get your Phantom Wallet fully set up and ready to go, all you need to do is to create your account. Make sure that you don't forget your password, of course, that's very important. And you're going to simply click on receive over here on the left side. Clicking this will allow you to view all of your different address for the different cryptocurrencies that you will be able to receive. If you want to receive Solana, simply click on this icon will allow you to copy your address or even have your QR code available over here. And doing that and just simply receiving money from an external wallet or external trading platform will allow you to fully utilize your Phantom wallet without any issues or limitations. You will then be able to utilize all of its different features that you are able to see here. You could trade, you could swap your different information or your different tokens over here. And that's basically all you need to do to be able to fully utilize Phantom Wallet. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.